Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the presentation. Tonight's recipe comes from the good old USA. And Papa Murphy's Take and Bake Pizza. Morning mise en place. Just after prep. Fighting the holiday traffic. Here at Papa Murphy's in Yuba City. A wonderful, helpful person giving me my wonderful pizza. Mise en place in the evening in order of appearance. Just put on the pineapple with a little dusting of green onions. And it's in the hot box for 15 minutes. Here it is, straight out of the hot box. And here's the final presentation of a Papa Murphy's pizza. And dessert. Thank you for coming to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.